I am now on planet Mars. For some reason, there's a building on Mars, and I'm standing on top of that building. I want to know how. I want to know the height of this building, but I don't have a tape measure on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a brick off the top of this tower, and then time how long it takes for the brick to hit the ground, and it takes 6 seconds. Um, Calculate how high this building is. Um, Remember the magical formula is H equals GT squared over 2. Okay. Gravity on Mars is 3.71. So remember, you can think of gravity as the strength of something pulling you down. So for example, on the moon, the strength of something pulling you down is 1.622. On Earth is a lot bigger. It's the strength. Imagine it as the strength being 9.8. While on Mars, the strength of whatever's pulling down on this brick is 3.71. So maybe somewhere here. Okay, so the strength. So just imagine this number, the number gravity, as something that pulls you down, the strength of something that pulls you down. So you get a rough idea of the strength on Mars. Okay, on Jupiter it would be, I don't know, a lot bigger, because it's the gravity on Jupiter is a lot higher. Well, anyway, so I'm on planet Mars, standing on top of a building. I want to know the height of this building. I want to know the height of this building here. So I don't have a tape measure on me, so I'm going to drop a brick off here, and then time how long it takes for the brick to hit the ground. From that, I should be able to work out H. So I'll press pause and have a go. Okay, always start with this formula. Write this formula down first, and from this you can see what's going on. You want to know H here. G is just a number which happens to be on Mars. If we're on Earth, then stick 9.8 into the G. But because we're on Mars, we're going to use this number here. T is what we know what T is. T is going to be 6. So you put the 6. Well, anyway, let me do this. The height is what we want to know. So H, we want to work out our height. G, well, let's put this into G here. G will be 3.71 times remember it's 6 here. 6 goes into the time here, squared over 2. Okay. So now let's times both sides by oh no. Sorry. Let's work this out first. This bubble here, because you've got to square it first. So it would be 3.71 times, now 6 squared would be 36 over 2. Okay. Now let's merge these two together. So it would be this. Hang on, let me get a calculator up. Okay, so it would be 3, which the gravity on Mars would be 3.71, and then we've got to times it with 36. That equals 133.56. Now get this divided by 2. So let's divide it by 2. Divided by 2 equals 66.78. Okay, so H equals that. So what that means is, well, if you look at the formula here, H is what we just worked out. This thing here, 66.78. So the height of this building here is 66.78 meters. Remember, times is always in seconds, and the H is always in meters. Okay, not kilometers or centimeters, or it's always in meters. And the time For this formula to work, the time has to be in seconds. So don't use hours or minutes or whatever. It has to be seconds. So the height of the building is this. Okay.